So today we're making
almond milk.
Almond milk. Y'all, first of all, food here in Texas is oddly, weirdly expensive. And we're going to start with almonds that have soaked for a few days at this point.
Yeah.
And they have like gotten extremely large.
Yes.
So what I'm going to do is do like a nice little rinse because I follow this guy on Instagram. I follow this guy on Instagram who makes milks all the time. And I've always wanted to make my own milk, but I always needed one of these ninjas. I had a juicer. That I left in Atlanta, and I've always wanted the Ninja Deluxe kitchen system, which I have like the food processor. Like I've made salsas, I've made chicken sausage, which I got to share that video too. But y'all,
she made even carrots. She made carrot muffins.
I did, and I used my food processor to shred the carrots. Thank you, sis. So I'm rinsing off my almonds, and look, they act like they look. Oh Jesus! So basically, the whole point of this was to rinse them off and get more milk out of
the almonds.
Period.
We're watching it.
And we're gonna strain them.
Strain them.
Okay, so what we're gonna no almond left behind, like my friend said. So we're gonna get 1 cup of almonds.
Yes, because it's important for your almonds. In there.
Okay, so in there.
Scoop it up.
And now we're gonna add in 4 cups of filtered water.
Yes, immediately.
Don't
just add regular water. Add this type of water.
Period. Add filtered water. Okay, so that's enough.
So when you're done adding your almonds, so you have to put salt in it so it could be flavored.
Come on, all right. So we're gonna add a dash of salt. And this is real salt.
Yeah.
I mean, the brand of it is real salt. It's Redmond's Real Salt. And I actually love this brand. To me, I can tell a difference in like hydration and things of that nature. So that's why I use it.
Oh, let's blend.
Okay. So we're gonna blend it up. And this right here normally takes about 5 minutes. So we're just gonna speed this process up.
So we're actually pouring the milk in this,
Okay, so next we're going to pour our almond milk into our nut bag. Now you pour the almond milk into the nut bag. Oh wow. Oh my freaking God.
Oh my Lord.
We have almond milk. Like, oh my God.
OMG. This is the best milk I've ever seen.
Girl,
you have to make this milk again.
The way the prices of food, we're going to have to, sis.
Yes, I know. Like, guys, you have to, girls and boys, you have to make this milk. Because it's going to taste delicious when we try it.
Okay, just hold your horses, sis. Let me see what's happening.
Louder.
Okay, so I see the almond pulp. And I like to dehydrate things.
Me too.
Naya. I like to dehydrate things.
Whoa,
oh wow.
That's a big splatter.
All this really is like cheesecloth for real. So per my friend from Instagram, He says to put the pulp back into the blender.
Yeah.
And so we're going to put the pulp back. All right. We're going to start this process all over again.
Yeah. Blender.
So I'm going to put in another cup. I got you because I don't want you reaching over that. Putting another cup of almonds, which I feel like we have at least
a jug of jug.
No, I started off with 2 cups of almonds, and with the swelling of the almonds, now I have 4 cups of almonds. So that means we're gonna have a lot of almond milk. So we're gonna pour 4 cups, or close to 4 cups. This is crazy because I know this is 8 cups, and I've already feel. Now that's weird. And then we're gonna blend again on high for 5 minutes, and yeah.
The milk is blending in, guys. Keep watching. That's a lot of almond milk. Yeah. So here's what the milk.
You can pause it because so this is our last batch. The first 2 batches I used 1 cup, and I've done 2 rounds already. So this is going to be my 3rd round with my swollen soaked almonds. But mommy, but I was able to get about that much in my glass container. So we're going to fill this up, fill what's in the bowl up in here. And then with this 3rd batch, I used a cup and a half. So I had to use 4 cups and then an extra 2 cups for the half of almonds that was left, the half a cup that was left. So now we're going to blend it up again, our last time for 5 minutes, and I'll show y'all the finished result. So we're done with our last batch. Oh, and this time we are going to use the pitcher because I was spilling a lot of precious milk using that bowl.
And you are spilling some on yourself.
So,
Ew. Sound like somebody.
Naya.
Sorry. It's a little glassy.
And we're letting it strain so that way I don't get milk everywhere. But I want it to make it easier to pour. So I've used the pulp for
A few minutes.
each round. So the pulp from the first cup of almonds, the pulp from the second cup of almonds, and now all of the pulp is together here. Which I'm going to repurpose the pulp for almond flour.
Put some margarine. And on the counter. And
Oh, that's a lot of pulp. Oh my goodness.
that's 2.
Oh yeah, we're gonna have
Pulp coat.
we're gonna have some almond flour. I use almond flour in my baking anyway. So I feel like all around this is gonna save me a ton of money because I mean I normally get my almond flour from Costco. I normally get my almonds from Costco, but I want to get organic almonds. Like they start having like organic um walnuts that you can get. You can also make walnut milk. I've had walnut milk before. Elmhurst walnut milk. So Elmhurst walnut milk, I really like the Elmhurst because they don't have a whole lot of gums and fillers in their milks, and I like that because all those extra additives are unnecessary for our well-being. So I'm doing.
Oh my gosh. This one on my shirt.
It's okay.
It's gonna
Well, mom, like step back so mommy can really. Excuse me. You can step down.
I would just say
But you're gonna have to move over. Yeah. So I can really
process it.
squeeze all of this milk over here.
Milky, milky. Goes water.
See, like in the bowl, like I can see that I have like a ton of milk. This is a ton of pulp as well. Like this is a sack full of pulp.
And you can squeeze it out.
And so we're squeezing it all out as much as I can get it squeezed out. So nutbags really is just like a cheesecloth, and I have cheesecloth because I make my own oils,
The pulp is really
like oils for body and all that stuff, hair. So I have to strain my flowers and things depending on what I'm using. Strain my herbs when I'm making my oils. So I already make a lot of things homemade. That's just me. I like cutting out the middleman, going, getting the organic source, and then just creating it myself. I feel like it just makes it easier for me. So I already preheated my oven, and I'm gonna get a pan. And y'all, we're gonna dehydrate this pulp, and I'll show y'all that in another video. Okay. So this is the pulp after finishing every round of all the rounds of the almonds to get this amazing almond milk. So I'm going to pour a glass for us to try. It smells like almond milk.
I did it.
That's good. I like it with the pulp. I feel like it makes it creamier, richer or something. I don't know. Tastes good?
This is same thing.
Tastes like the same thing. So now we're going to pour our freshly made almond milk into our glass vessel. Y'all,
She been wanting this.
I have. And I've also purchased this from the thrift store.
And it's very glossy and breaky.
Girl, we got almond milk.
Yes. Delightful. You're gonna drink it at the same time?
Good, ain't it? All right, guys, follow us for more, and I will be sharing how to use the pulp and dehydrating the pulp. I love to dehydrate. It's one of my favorite things. So yeah, let's, finish this up, and I'll show you other ways to use your almond pulp.
Oh,
Yeah, we're done.